खानदानी लुटेरों की कोशिश होगी बेकार, फिर एक बार मोदी सरकार।
Former Wrestling Federation President and BJP MP Brij Bhushan Singh appeared in court regarding the sexual exploitation case involving female wrestlers. The court informed him of the charges and his lawyer stated he contested them. Singh denied any wrongdoing, stating there was no mistake to admit. Another accused, Vinod Tomar, also denied the allegations in court, claiming they were false and backed by evidence. Singh additionally petitioned the court for documents and CDR related to his foreign travel as head of the Indian Wrestling Association, arguing he wasn't staying where the players were abroad. The court requested a response from Delhi police. The next hearing is scheduled for June 1st at 2 p.m. Rahul Gandhi faces heightened legal trouble as Ranchi's MP-MLA court issues summons for his physical appearance regarding objectionable remarks made against former BJP National President Amit Shah in 2018. Special Judge Sarthak Sharma summoned Gandhi with the next hearing set for June 11th due to Lok Sabha elections. The summons, initially challenged in Jharkhand High Court, was rejected, leading to a renewed summons from the MP-MLA court. The case originated from a complaint by the BJP worker Naveen Jha in 2018, resulting in the first summons from Ranchi Civil Court, alleging Gandhi's remarks against Shah during a party convention in Delhi and elsewhere. Former Jharkhand CM Hemant Soren faces setbacks as the Supreme Court schedules a rehearing of his interim bail plea for Wednesday, May 22. Senior advocate Kapil Sibal, representing Soren, argued that the grounds presented in lower courts differed from those in the Supreme Court. The court acknowledged the strength of the ED's case but deferred the hearing to Wednesday due to the incomplete proceedings. Tensions rose during Tuesday's hearing, with Soren's counsel Kapil Sibal and the Additional Solicitor General engaging in a heated exchange. The bench emphasized the importance of the case and scheduled it for the next day, despite suggestions from a later date. The Enforcement Directorate filed an application in Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court on Tuesday, raising concerns about the specifics of Arvind Kejriwal's surrender. They questioned whether the surrender should take place in court or in jail, considering June 2 falls on a Sunday. Kejriwal's interim bail ends on June 2 and he is expected to surrender on that day. The ED proposed that judicial custody should commence from the day of surrender regardless of the location. The court questioned the necessity for ED to extend Kejriwal's judicial custody given his interim bail status. ED clarified that their question pertained to the period following surrender. The court decided to keep the application pending, deferred the final decision to the duty magistrate on the day of surrender. Manish Sisodia faced a setback in the money laundering case related to Delhi's excise policy as Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court extended his judicial custody until May 31st. Sisodia's custody was set to end on Tuesday, but the court extended it via video conferencing. This decision precedes the pending bail plea hearing in the Delhi High Court, which Sisodia had sought after rejections from the trial court regarding corruption and money laundering cases tied to the Delhi Excise Policy 2021-22. The High Court reserved its decision on May 14th after hearing the plea. The Allahabad High Court voiced grave concerns over the misuse of Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Act. Recently, it annulled an FIR and called all criminal proceedings against a couple initiated at the behest of a government employee. Justice Prashant Kumar emphasized that allowing such misuse in Uttar Pradesh would be a failure of the court's duty. The court noted a coalition between the land mafia, revenue officials, and a former SHO leading to the wrongful implication of the couple. They were targeted due to their land with false allegation made under the SC/ST Act. Upon hearing the couple's testimony and considering the evidence, the court revoked the FIR and all related criminal proceedings.